Kaseng Congress kalakot banpen ko bor shu ikidor barsnong hakajing penrung kerteng tap vote. Dakabakdo ba kani kanyarap pantela kam yakajing penrung kerteng deki briu ki bamde ki nong tap vote. Bat banpen tikna bandon yak electoral roll kabakhoj ha Meghalaya. Habakran Shakilar Pathai Kubor hakakat artrik na iwing u Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Manuel Badwar ulaong. Haka jingalang kabadang shen banyakran halor ka Special Intensive Revision SIR namar bangim dan hangni yak Panchayati Raj System. Ilapan pau how Chief Electoral Officer CEO halor ka jingdan kam banpun kubor shu ikidor barsnong hakabaya de baka jingpun rong kerteng tap vote. Katkum ka jing ong ka jong u ya ka ni ka jing ai jing mon lakar shan ru da economic man na ki waypat ki seng san per thei ha ka ni ka jingalang ba day ban ithu ru ya ka bor jing ki dor bash nong ha ka rule ba ya day ba ka jing pan rong kerteng tap vote na kalyang u CEO ulakular hangi ba un shimkhya ban pan ko bor shu ikidor bash nong kinang ban pan thikna ba kanam dan ka jing pan rong kerteng ki bri ki banabar bat ba ki nong tap vote ki bam day hok kim day ban yo tap vote hapo ka jila Meghalaya ong uba Badwar.
The campaign against this stealing of votes, which is prevalent throughout the country, is not something which is small. I think our leader, Shri Rahul Gandhi, had been very vehemently pursuing this, and I think it's a very important critical thing, and I believe that the public at large especially should have this level of understanding that it is the entire democratic process itself which is at stake. So we don't want to become a country which is authoritarian in nature. We don't want a country which is being controlled by only a few. The power should still exist with the public at large. When we say that the power should still exist with the public at large, we believe that there's widespread malpractice when it comes to how votes are being registered, how votes are being deleted, how people travel from one place to the other just to ensure that the BJP stays in power. And as you've noticed that many a time in many elections, the actual voice of the people is not being heard anymore. So you have the media houses, especially what we call as a Goli media, which is kind of propagating certain sections which is obviously against the constitution and against the democratic process. So the point is, we have seen that the campaign by Shri Rahul Gandhi has been very aggressive. He had been very, very vocal. In fact, just a few days back, all of you would have noticed that memes has been created also, right? That it is not the Gujarat model, it has become a Brazilian model, which means that people have shamelessly used even photographs of individuals which are not from the country just to register their votes, and in the process of that they are trying to undermine the entire process of the election commission. Now the election commission also from time to time keeps on telling everybody that they are not wrong. So if they are not wrong, at least it should come clean. We believe that if these evidences keep on popping up, and from the Congress party especially, Shri Rahul Gandhi has been vehemently saying about this, we believe that this is something which cannot be taken for granted. So whether it's in the state of Meghalaya, or whether it's in the state of Karnataka, or whether it's in the state of Maharashtra, it doesn't matter. But what matters is that the entire election process is under question. And this is something which is very important because the manipulation is happening at a very large scale. And because of this manipulation, you've all noticed that even in Bihar, around 60 lakhs voters were deleted. It's a very big number. You've seen the particular constituency in Karnataka where only one constituency with 6 lakhs voters, 1 lakh voters were deleted and manipulated rather. So these kind of things I think is very critical. So even at a state level, we have obviously pledged, as ma'am was saying, it has come as a direction from AICC. We have done a pledge saying that we also will contribute to the voice that is against this vote chori. The idea is we have managed somehow, at least from the state of Meghalaya, by going from block to block, and 10,000 people have registered their protest in a form of a signature. We are continuing this campaign, so more people every day, around 1,000. Especially nowadays it's picking up, so around 300-400 a day is coming back to the Congress office. And we believe that the people of Meghalaya should not take this too lightly also, because please understand that we are not trying to question anything. We're trying to question the entire democratic process of the country. We've seen countries that have gone into authoritarian kind of a process. For example, we know for sure what Russia is all about, and countries like China and so on and so forth. And it is just something which is totally against what the constitution is all about, and totally about the democratic process is all about. So we thank, and we'd like to. So when we had a meeting with the CEO for the SIR, we had suggested a few things. Till now, you've noticed that for registration of new voters and so on and so forth, the Darbar Shnaw, or the power of the Darbar, is still not recognized, because under what is given to us, the rules and regulation, it is still saying that the Panchayati Raj, since we don't have a Panchayati Raj here, we had told him that we had to give more power to the Darbar. And this is not just being followed by the Congress, this is being followed by other political leaders also who were there in the meeting together with us. And we had given our suggestion, and we hope that the Election Commission of Meghalaya takes it forward. And he had pledged and promised us that he would definitely take it very seriously to give more power, so that at least we'll ensure that the infiltration and so on and so forth, and the voters who are not eligible to be voters should not just get through and be able to vote. Because as you have noticed in Sri Rahul Gandhi's campaign also, there are a lot of voters who jump from one place to the other. So they'll vote in Delhi today, and after 2 months they'll go to Bihar, vote in Bihar, and after 3 months they'll go to Karnataka, vote in Karnataka. So it gives them ample time to delete from one place to the other, which obviously, with the kind of money power that the BJP has, is definitely going to disturb the entire election process. Yeah.